In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to restore closed panels or missing panels in Premiere Pro. So yeah, I'm in Premiere Pro. Let's say I have some of these panels closed. For example, this timeline panel, let's close a few more. Let's say the project panel as well. Let's close this one as well. To restore them, all I need to do is to head over to Window. And then right here, I have a list of all the available panels in Premiere Pro. These checked ones are the ones that are open right now. That is the ones you can see right here within the window. While these unchecked ones are invincible. They are not opened. So what you have to do is to search for the ones that are missing that you want to restore. For example, one of the ones that I closed earlier is the timeline. So right here, I have the timeline option. So I'm going to check that to restore the timeline. So immediately I did that, you see that the timeline right here is restored. So the timeline is restored. I want to restore the project panel as well. So I'm going to go back to the window and then I'm going to search for the project panel. So yeah, I have it. So I'm going to check that as well. And then right here, you see that the panel is restored. Basically, that is how to restore closed panels or missing panels in Premiere Pro. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.